If you've recently seen a message on your iPhone's lock screen that says charging on hold, charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature, you're not alone. This alert appears when your iPhone detects it's too hot to safely continue charging. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few effective solutions to fix this issue and get your iPhone charging properly again. First, and most importantly, just let your iPhone cool down. If it's been in direct sunlight inside a hot car or you've been using it heavily while charging, the temperature can rise quickly. So unplug your charger, remove the phone case if you're using one, and place the phone in a cool, shaded area. Avoid using the phone for a few minutes, especially for things like video recording, gaming, or GPS. Wait around 10 to 15 minutes and then plug it back in to see if it starts charging again. Next, try turning off optimized battery charging. Sometimes optimized battery charging can delay or pause charging based on your usage patterns. To do that, open the Settings app. From here, navigate to Battery. Then tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now toggle off optimized battery charging. Choose Turn Off until tomorrow, which means the feature will be disabled temporarily just for the rest of the day. After that, optimized battery charging will automatically turn back on the next day. Once that's done, plug your phone in again and check if charging continues. Lastly, try force restarting your iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone won't delete your photos or data. It's a simple reboot that fixes temporary glitches. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. And that's it. One of these steps should help you get past the charging on hold issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.